Day 6. Want and wanted. First, want. In Hindi, चाहिए. First, wish, इच्छा. Second, need, जरूरत. Now, sentence structure, subject plus want or wants plus object. For example, first, मुझे पानी चाहिए. I want water. Second, उसे पैसा चाहिए. He wants money. Note, want to use for चाहता हूँ. And sentence structure, subject plus want to plus V1 plus object. Now example, मैं पानी पीना चाहता हूँ. I want to drink water. Another examples, I want tea, I want food, I want help, I want my pen, I want English knowledge. He wants tea, she wants food, he wants new clothes, they want mobile, Ram wants book. Now, want use with I, we, you, they. And wants use with he, she, it, name. Next, I practice 16 sentences. Hindi to English translation. First, he wants old scooty. Second, he wants his childhood. Third, he wants a day leave. Fourth, she does not want watch. Fifth, I don't want your help. Now, wanted. Wanted used for past desire or past wish. Sentence structure, subject plus wanted plus object. For example, मुझे कार चाहिए थी. I wanted a car. We wanted weapons. Other examples, I wanted iPhone. I wanted a house. She wanted a new dress. They wanted food. After this, I practiced 13 more sentences. Hindi to English translation. And now, homework practice. Again, I choose 60 sentences and translate them into English. For examples, first, India wants an honest leader. I want facilities. I want your support or help or company. Do you want my advice? The nation wants an honest soldier. Now, writing practice. I choose a topic, my daughter's first day at school. And after this, speaking practice in front of mirror. As you know, the topic is same, my daughter's first day at school. Thank you so much for watching. That's all about my day 6. Next, I will share day 7. See you soon.